for any of you who routinely need to check website responsiveness on different size screens, there's a really handy free app that I just found out about. You might already know about it. Responsively app. Right up there, Responsively app. This is free, and as you can see, I've got set up here a bunch of different size viewports. And as we can see with this case study I'm working on, I have weird spacing issues with really small screens. So this is the sort of thing that you wouldn't necessarily know unless you can see all the different breakpoints on different kinds of devices. But see, these two guys here are larger laptop screens, as are these. Actually, this is my largest. So you can see the breakpoint that happens at the tablet zone, which is right here, where this content gets much thinner and suddenly has a margin, whereas this is the same width on these screens. So it allows you to kind of isolate where your problems are. And as you can see, I'm getting this weird spacing here on screens that are smaller than 410 pixels. Anyways, just thought you guys might like knowing about that. It's a really handy app. Like I mentioned, totally free. Pretty cool. Responsively app. I'm getting a fix from, let's see, this website here. This was a great little article I read about fixing the tablet spacing on different sizes, sort of the mid breakpoint area of Squarespace sites with their new Fluid engine can get weird. So what this gives you is a little script that you can use that you can then define essentially. Let me go back to the editor. You can define right here, the size of the breakpoint that you're using when it shifts to mobile. So in my case, the breakpoint actually wasn't small enough, so I made it smaller. So it wasn't really a tablet issue for me. I made it smaller, and now when I go back to Responsify, or Responsively app, so much about web development stuff and responsive design is compromised and figuring out what works the best on the most systems. So now you can see that gap is all but deleted on my small screens, and it's not there on my large screens either. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think that is about as good as it gets. I still have a little bit of a weird margin issue here with the 712 pixel size viewport, but that's one out of like 10 or 12 previews that looks just less than optimal. So pretty happy with that. Anyways, check out that website. I'm going to go back to that URL one more time. And again, this app is Responsibly. Let me go back to the website. And this was, well, I'll let you read out that URL yourself by pausing the video or checking it out. But I found this really, really helpful. So thanks to the publisher of this website and the Responsibly app.